Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix iMessage not working on your iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, open Settings, scroll down to Apps, and tap Messages. Make sure iMessage is turned on. Then tap Send and Receive and confirm that your phone number or email address is listed. If iMessage is already enabled, turn it off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on to reactivate it. Next, refresh your network connection. Open the control center, enable airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. Since iMessage requires an internet connection, make sure you're connected to either Wi-Fi or cellular data. If the issue continues, go to Settings, tap your Apple ID at the top, scroll down, and select Sign Out. After signing out, sign back in with your Apple ID. If that still doesn't fix the problem, perform a force restart. Quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, and finally press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This reloads the system software without deleting any of your data. If needed, repeat the button sequence, as it may take a few attempts to get the timing right. So that's basically how you can fix iMessage not working on your iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks.